How about a bubble gum? So there's that bracket piece off, and there's that nut.
Yep.
And that nut, it goes back in there. There we go. Alright. And the other one, where was it? This one, it goes back in here. Yeah, right there. Alright, and then these guys, yeah, see how that's all bent?
Mm-hmm.
That's not good.
Yeah, no.
But that's how she is. So then, these four, thank you, they go on here. How we doing?
Doing good.
You're awesome.
Running 25 minutes.
Right on.
And 15% battery left.
Ah, perfect timing.
And the guy's on his way.
Excelente.
Should be here between 2:50 and 3, which is either 5 minutes from now or 15.
Cool, cool, cool. All right.
Sorry.
We're making some progress. That's okay. We're eating pizza, kids. Gotta have pizza. Can't live without pizza. Damn it. All right. There's that wire undone from there. See that there?
Yep.
That goes right down into that right there. Yeah, that's where that popped out of that. That popped out of that right there. All right. Oh. So we got more and more of the wiring harness disconnected. Looking good. Looking good. I'm gonna pop this rivet down here, I think. This connection point down here with place. There we go. Cut that off. Now that's all nice and loose. Hey, the wiring harness is pretty good. It's really not so bad. I got a thing here to clip. There's another thing over there to clip. I don't know where that goes or where that plugs into, but that's down there somewhere. That's downstairs down there somewhere. But yeah, everything here's disconnected. All this is disconnected. All this is disconnected. Except for now where it goes back in there somewhere. So now, wow, we're making some progress here. This is the fuse box, and this is all loose. It's missing a, okay, there's a bolt there and a bolt there.
Battery's at 11%.
Okay, just let me know when it gets down to like 5.
Okay.
All right, so this is the bracket that holds the fuse box in place. It's kind of jammed up in there because these two hoses here. All right, there we go. This shouldn't be that long of a bolt. I'm hoping it's not just spinning. No, it's coming out. See, these lines here got all bent and mashed up in that hole there, so it's a bit dodgy. There we go. All right, that's loose. There we go. Undo this ground wire here real quick. I see it's a ground wire and it's also part of the bracket as well. Alright, so there's the ground wire, there's that, and there's that, and there's that. Alright, go.
And our delivery guys are arriving almost soon.
Our delivery guy is arriving.
Arriving soon.
Arriving
don't
soon.
Don't know how soon, but soon.
But soon.
Yes.
Alright, put that screw back in there.
Sorry. Should have.
I'm pretty sure this one here's the same size.
Sorry, focus on filming.
Put that right there as well. So we can get this hose out of the way. There we go. Now we got those back in place.
Sorry.
For that bracket. It's alright, don't worry. It's all good. Alright, that's good enough. So there's, I think, where a big chunk of your wiring harness comes up into this here. Yeah, that's a big chunk of it right there. Whoo! Holy moly! Oh, he's right there. All right, we'll stop. We're gonna stop recording. We're gonna eat food.